Paladin.
I guess you caught me.
If you don't mind me asking, what's there to be so sad about on Christmas Eve?
You want my hair? You want my hair?
Oh, not checking out the window for Santa?
She's too young, baby. Next year. Yeah.
Paladin.
You want that?
No.
He's a pretty bird.
There's something we
Look
need to
at
talk
you.
about, and we need to get it out in the open right now.
He's a good baby.
What is it?
I know
Oh,
you and Mel were
good
lying to
shake.
me tonight.
Does it feel good to be dry? Not soaking wet anymore? So I'm in bed. I just got in bed. And Connor is giving Bub dirty looks. And Bub keeps trying to get Connor's tail. So here, let me stir up Connor again. There goes the tail. Look at the crazy eyes at the foot of the bed. Bubbies. Bubby. Did it move? Oh, gotta stir it up again. He's like, he ain't gonna get my tail, Mom. Get that foot. And get this foot. And get this foot. And get it. And get them whiskers. And get those whiskers. He's looking at that tail. And get that belly. You're gonna fall off the bed. You rotten boy. Ow, ow. You're clawing my hand for. Don't claw my hand. That's not nice. You can reach out, just don't use claws. You're stuck in the bed. This is why I have this on here over my blankets and stuff. Because they tear it up with their claws. I'm gonna get that paw. I'm gonna get that paw. I'm gonna get, no, I'm not gonna rub your chin. I'm gonna get the paw. And get that paw. Let me get it. And get this one. And get it. Trying to hold my hand, Connor. And get it. Ow. Your claws are sharp, son. Boop. You're still watching that tail. It's like a dead stare. Oh, give me that tail. Oh, get it. Get that tail. Yes, I got it. Pew, did you fart? Okay, maybe I won't get your tail again. Wah. Cat fart. Yeah. Did you fart? Connor, did you fart for Mommy? That's not nice. That stinks. Pew. What? God damn. What the hell you been eating? The kibble don't smell that bad. Rotten, rotten, rotten. You're a rotten boy. Rotten boy. Don't do Robert Flowers. No. Gimme. Gimme. Gimme, gimme. Get it. Messing up the bed. I just put fresh sheets on the bed. Just put fresh sheets on. What are you doing? What are you doing? That's my knee under there. Ow. Ow. What? Is your meow broken again? Hook the bed. Get that back, Liz. I get a belly. I got a belly. What? I got a belly. At least I'm not messing with the tail. That thing farts. What kind, man? Bubby, you gonna come to bed? No, you stay over here. Lay down. Down. Thank you. Good boy. Bubbies, come on. No, you come over here and lay down. Lay down. That's not a scratching post. No. That's it. Ow, ow. Claws. No claws. Bubbies, will you come lay down with mommy? You gonna come over here? Come on. He's a good boy. You're such a big kitty. Don't you shake your head no at me. You are a big kitty. You're twice the size of Connor. I don't know no biting. You're gonna lay on my pillow and get it all hot, aren't you? I'm touching your white spot. I'm touching it. I'm touching your white spot. I'm touching your white spot. I'm touching it. What are you doing? Hey. Con man. Are you jealous? You jealous? I've had you since you were a baby. You shouldn't be jealous. You know, you're getting so old, I don't know what's gray hair and what's old hair. Huh? Rotten. Hey. Yo, Toby. Ow, ow, ow. No claws. Ow. No. Ow. Get the whiskers. I'm touching your white spot. I'll touch this one. Boop. I'm touching it. And touch this one. Aw, is you tired, kitty? You tired from sleeping all day? We did go outside for a few hours. Came inside, smelled like rotten leaves. Yeah, you don't like the smell of my hand lotion, huh? Oh, got a thumpy tail going on over there. I see it. Puppies. Musical boys. Don't get jealous now. Mommy loved you first. Just remember that. No flowers. No flowers. Get the whiskers. Oh, get them whiskers. Give me the whiskers. Oh, get them. Let me get them. And get your eyebrow. Get them. Get those whiskers. Swipe. Are you swiping at me? My finger. You done drooled on me and everything. Yuck. I just put lotion on that. No. You're drooling on my hand, you weirdo. Ow. They do claws. You're so fucking rotten. Rotten boy. I'm gonna hold your paw. You took your paw away. What? What? What do you want? That's mine. What? You're such a slob. You ready to go to bed? Connor, you ready to go night? Con man. Hey. You ready to go to bed? Daddy found a coral snake.
They've already gone. It was right there. There was a magnolia with it. It was right in here.
Is that what the dog was barking at, Dad?
No, there, it's right there. It's right there.
Oh, how pretty.
You see it?
Yeah. I'm trying to find. And there's its head right there.
You're fine. They don't attack.
No, these are very docile
See it?
snakes. They're more scared
See it
of
right in
us
there?
than we are of them.
Can you see it?
Ow. Thank you.
It's like 1.5 foot away from her hand. You see it down in there? On the ground.
It's
on the ground.
right
Right
down
there.
there. That's the head right there.
It's right there.
The brown?
No,
Yeah, no, the
see
red,
the
yellow,
one that's
oh,
red
wow.
and yellow and
I'm
black?
looking up, I see.
I'm pointing right at it,
Wow,
Chris.
That's cool.
That's the head right there.
Look,
Those are poisonous?
there. See it? I
Deadly
just
poisonous.
touched it.
Wow, that's a beautiful snake.
Yeah, they are beautiful. They're very
Gee, I've
poisonous,
never
but
seen
they're
a snake
very
like that.
shy of people. I just scared it by touching it.
Very difficult for
You
them to
touched it?
bite you because their mouth is so small.
Yeah.
They can
Yes,
bite
I
you right
touched it.
here
It's
or
just a
between your
snake.
toes. They normally don't bite. If it does bite you, you're fucked.
Because by the time first responders get here, you'd be in some serious issues.
They've expired. It stops your heart from beating and diaphragm and all that. It's a neurotoxin.
A cool snake, huh?
I wonder what it would do if one bit me. My heart's already stopped at least once.
It'd probably kill you outright.
I don't know. I've pet several of
I
those
saw the
suckers.
thing hauling ass across the ground when it was moving. I couldn't even see the colors on it till it stopped. I'm like, oh. Isn't that something? We just saw a thing on video about it.
Right?
There it is.
The poor coral snake getting ate by a cat, and we got one in the yard.
That was a beautiful color.
Yeah. Awful skinny though.